Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuke channel with Inventor Sheet Metal basic tutorial how to use a loop length command. First in here I will convert into sheet metal. You can click in here, convert to the sheet metal icon. And then to use loop length we need to create two profile. You can click start to sketch and choose this XY plane. For the first profile I will use a line command and I will create from this point to the bottom 5. Okay, and you can move to drag here 5, and then I will click at this point. Okay, you can right click and click OK to apply. You can finish it. We already create this profile 1, and next I will create profile 2. I will use offset plane. You can click in here and click offset from a plane. Okay, I will click origin in XY plane. Now you can move this plane to this point and you can click OK. I will click this plane and then we can create sketch in here. You can click here to create sketch. Okay. For the second sketch, I will use a line command and I will create a simple object like this object. You can right click OK and you can click finish sketch. I will hide this work plane. You can right click and then you can click visibility. Okay. Now to use loop length, you can click this icon loop length. And for profile 1, I will select this object. Next for profile 2, you can select this object. Okay. This object will be automatically converted into sheet metal. Okay, this is a plate with thickness. You can click OK to apply. You also can change the thickness for these models by clicking at this sheet metal default icon, and you can uncheck use thickness from rule. Okay, you can change in here, like I will change into a 0.05. You can apply and it will be small. Okay, you can change again in here into a 0.1 and it will be more big. Okay, you can click cancel to close. You also can create a flat pattern with this object. You can click in here, create a pattern icon, and you can see this four flat pattern in these 3D models, and you can go to fold part again by clicking this icon. Okay. Okay, enough today for Inventor Sheet Metal basic tutorial how to use loop length. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video. And see you next time in another Inventor 3D modeling basic tutorial.